Hello guys, let's learn colors name. Sky blue color, dark blue color, yellow color, green color, violet color, pink color, light pink color, red color, brown color, orange color. Now learn the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.